time for me to show my hand.
It wasn't when Lucio Cecchinello's hair when we started this race, that's for sure. He's got a few more. They were almost half a second clear, that top three.
Lorenzo's hungry for victory number 3 of
Marques will feel like he's got a bit of a score to settle with that
line there, and he's trying to get on the power to try and close this. 2 in 1, buy one, get one free. Masterful from Lorenzo, but I think he's gone wide. He has.
He's gone wide. He's gone well wide. It's Andrea Dovizioso so sweet back through with that. That was like the Jorge Lorenzo of old, wasn't it? Stunning stuff late on here from the triple plate
of Marques and Dovizioso in 2 corners. Not like Jorge Lorenzo, he's carrying so much speed. He runs wide again. Dovizioso comes through. It's a Ducati. Real battle going on here. Marques is quite happy to watch for now.
There is zero love lost between these two. There's been some really barbed comments again in the Spanish and Italian media. Bitter war at its state. This is personal pride. These two at the front with Marques in the game as well. Dovizioso and Lorenzo, bitter, career-long rivals.
He has got some fierce competition. Dovizioso is having none of it at the moment.
No Grand Prix we've seen here. Which way will it swing in favour of Jorge Lorenzo today? Andrea Dovizioso. Again, the pace hots up with that top 3. They've all got down to personal best laps of the race. 1:56.8 from Dovizioso. Lorenzo just a fraction faster than Marques. He left the door wide open. He knew Marques, just thank you very much, slide straight back up the inside. And fighting for the championship. He is not going to want to. These two do not get on. They are teammates.
It's close. How on earth has Jorge Lorenzo managed to hold on to that one?
Lorenzo lost drive coming out of Horsepower Hill. That's what let Marques get close. You can see coming up Horsepower Hill. 5 kilometres left here of a classic, a brilliant, breathtaking Brno battle here in MotoGP. It's still Andrea Dovizioso.
Marques is hanging it round the outside. There goes Jorge Lorenzo. Will he have another go into turn 4? No, he's not close enough.
On Jorge Lorenzo, we thought it was going to be.
Oh, wow!
Lorenzo takes Marques' knee away from him going into turn number 5. We thought it was going to be a showdown between Marques and a race. Dovizioso's got a little bit of daylight. Gigi Dall'Igna in the left-hand side of the picture, he can barely watch.
Jorge Lorenzo saying to Marques, get off my leg, I'm trying to win this race. But they're not close enough to Ducati 1-2.
Who says Jorge Lorenzo can't race hard and aggressive? He's put that one to bed today in emphatic fashion. We have got now just 4 corners left of the
brilliant stuff here in Brno. What a race we've seen. And Dovizioso.
Fastest lap of the race on the last lap. Trade on the last lap by 1:56.640, but it was not enough to deny